If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Lyft, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds. Open the Lyft app, go to Payment Settings, and verify that your credit card or payment method is up to date. Step 2. Update the Lyft app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Lyft, and update the app if a new version is available. Step 3. Restart the app. Sometimes, simply restarting the app can resolve temporary glitches. Close the Lyft app completely and then reopen it to see if the payment issue persists. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using an Android device, clearing the app cache can help. Go to your device settings, find the Lyft app, and select Clear Cache. Then reopen the app and try again. Step 5. Contact Lyft support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payment issues on Lyft. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.